Hey guys, welcome back to Up Quick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you XTrend Speed Trading app review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So XTrend Speed has positioned itself as a prominent high-speed mobile broker designed specifically to make retail day trading accessible, fast, and highly interactive for beginners. Now, according to XTrend's official website, the platform boasts over 12 million downloads globally and operates under strict financial regulation by South Africa's FSCA. Now, the ecosystem offers real-time quotes of over 1,400 financial products, covering everything from major forex plans and commodities to global indices and individual stocks. Now, to add a unique layer of security here, their website highlights that trader assets are structurally safeguarded by NNAC, South Africa's largest insurer. Now, the app features an intuitive copy trading suite that allows beginners to replicate the exact trades of veteran master traders in a single click, alongside a highly popular loyalty program that issues daily login rewards and free trading credits. Now, if you look at feedback or what people are actually saying about the platform, well, the pros are overwhelmingly focused on the exceptionally smooth, simplified user experience. Novice traders give the platform glowing 5-star ratings, noting that the clean layout, instant order execution, and in this case, integrated stream of markets news makes it much less intimidating than traditional desktop brokerage. Now, users frequently praise the generous distribution of free credit rewards, saying that it gives them an exciting, low risk playground to learn market mechanics and test strategies here. Now, before actually funding an account with substantial personal capital. Now, the responsive 22/7 live chat support also receives consistent praise across both app stores and quickly answering basic platform questions. Now, on the downside, there are some cons here that you may want to know. So, not every platform is going to be perfect. Now, reviews on these platforms point out that a few persistent compliance and operational frustrations. Now, a major point of friction for reviewers or centers around a rigid account security rule. Some users have reported sudden temporary account suspensions due to platform detecting suspected duplicate accounts, which can stall active traders. And then, additionally, on both these platforms or in these platforms, several users expressed frustration over an extensive anti-fraud withdrawal process. Reviews note that while depositing funds is instantaneous, withdrawing profits require submitting multiple layers of personal verification and identity documents to confirm the funds are returning to the exact same account holder, which can occasionally delay payouts for more than a week. Now, ultimately, if you're looking for a highly visual, mobile first platform to learn the basics of Forex and stock trading with built in copy features and a license framework, now the general community consensus is that XTrend Speed provides incredibly engaging and user friendly experience to start your journey. But then again, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.